for app that lets you borrow money in Nigeria without BVN or with BVN and without other personal information which are very special to you. In this video, I'm going to guide you through some loan platform or some loan apps that actually allow you to borrow money, either low amount of money or a huge amount of money that you can actually use to start or kickstart your small business or your business you actually want to get started with, or an existing business you actually need finance on. In this video, I'm going to walk you through different loan apps, different apps that allow you to borrow money in Nigeria. So walk along with me where I show you different loan apps in Nigeria that will definitely help you to borrow money without any stress. Don't have to be worried because everything that they will need from you when you are trying to borrow a loan will be shown to you, and if you are not abide with the terms and conditions or with the rules of each of these loan apps, you can just quit and move on to the next one. So I'll also show you the inside of each of these apps, which of course you can also see the terms and conditions as well as what they would need from you before you can actually get a loan disbursed direct to your bank account. So the first loan platform you can actually check out is Equal Cash. Equal Cash is one of the newest launch loan platform, which of course you can actually use to borrow a loan in Nigeria, and you can also get a loan of up to 1 million naira with Equal Cash, and it only takes first step for you to get a loan without any stress with Equal Cash. And you can just download the app from Apple App Store. They are not actually available on Google Play Store, on Apple Play Store yet. They are actually available on Google Play Store. They are not available on Apple App Store. So yeah, you can just check them out. Download the app, follow the instruction which they lay down for you, then send them every information which they actually ask you. Then they are going to review your information and disburse a loan direct to your bank account if the information you provided meet up with their requirement. So it's very easy to get along with the Equal Cash loan platform, and then you can get a loan of up to 550,000 naira to 350,000 naira, and then if you are needing a loan for your business, you can get up to 1 million naira with the app. So the daily interest rate for around is 0.57%, and then it all depends on the kind of amount of loan you are borrowing, and you can enjoy the loan tenure between 91 days to 65 days, which is actually the best loan tenure which you can actually get so far if you are from Nigeria and you literally want a loan in Nigeria. So this app was updated in the February 18, 2023, and you can also scroll down to see the review that people are actually dropping about this loan app, so you'll be able to understand what people are actually facing about this app. Then you also know if they'll be able to borrow you a loan or not. The next loan app in this video, which will allow you to also borrow you money in Nigerian, is Correct Loan. Correct Loan is another newly launched loan platform, which of course they will allow you to borrow a loan of up to 100,000 naira, and if you are interested in getting a loan for your business, you can get a loan of up to 500,000 naira from Correct Loan. And if you are an individual who actually needs a small loan for a quick need, you can get a loan of up to 20,000 naira, and there is no hidden fees so far, and you can also enjoy other benefits from this loan app after you have been able to repay the loan you borrow from this app. And you can also enjoy the interest rate, which is fall around 24%, and this will also depend on the kind of loan amounts you are borrowing from this app before the interest rate can actually be determined. So then the loan tenure fall around 91 days to 365 days. It's just same as Equal Cash. So if you also scroll down, you also see the review that people are actually dropping about this loan app, so you also understand what people are actually facing about this loan app, and then that will also tell you if this loan app is very legit or not. So you can also check through their response, but I'm very sure they are not responding to each of these reviewer yet, but then you can check them out and see if they will be able to serve you based on what you actually need. The next loan app is Real Credit. Real Credit is another loan platform which is quite new, and you can see they only have just 1,000 downloads, and the overall rating is 3.8. The total reviews so far is just 11, which is quite low. But then if you look at it another way around, what matters is just for the fact that they should be able to borrow you a loan which you actually want, and you can get a loan of 10,000 naira to 300,000 naira with real credit, and then they also offer a loan tenure of 91 days to 365 days, which is quite enough time for you to pay back the loan which you're borrowing from this platform. So if you're an iPhone user or Apple user and you also need a loan for yourself, you can also check out PalmPay, which is another loan platform for Apple users and Android users. If of course you need a loan for yourself, you can just check out PalmPay on Apple App Store and see if they'll be able to borrow you a loan based on your request. And this app are very well licensed by CBN, which of course you can also benefit other features from them, saving money with them, buying airtime, data, and some other electricity bill and some other stuff like that. So PalmPay is one of the greatest loan app and platform in Nigeria, which of course they have a lot of features just like OPay app and some other ones. So download this PalmPay app if you are very much interested in borrowing money online within the app without using a bank or something like that. So another one is Swift Cash. Swift Cash is another newly launched loan platform on Apple App Store, which is very well legit, and then you can get a loan of up to 600,000 naira with Swift Cash, and the application process is very easy, and they offer high success rate for everyone who is actually interested in getting a loan. And they also offer a quick loan disbursement as long as your information are well legit and they actually approve them. So then you can actually proceed on to use them and get a loan for your need, and then you can use it to also kickstart your small business or any business you actually want to start. You can also reach out to the reviews and see what people are actually saying about them before you can proceed on to borrow a loan from any of these apps, which I'm showing you in this video. So if you are interested in borrowing a loan in Nigeria or with online apps or loan platform, you can actually use or be well safe to the fact that you can just you don't want to face any kind of issues so far, so you can use any of these apps which I'm showing you in this video. So if you have any question, let me know through the comment section below, and I'm very much happy to reply to your request as fast as possible. So thank you for watching, and I'll definitely see you in the next one. Peace.